Hi, how would you like to showcase your eBay items listed on your website? I'm going to show you how and how I do it. And this is my eBay listings right here. And I want to put those on my website. How to go about doing it, I'm going to show you right now. But let's go look at my page right now on my website here. This is what it looks like. Okay, and no need to worry because even though it shows only 3 rows of items, you have the little next page right here where you can just keep clicking, and no matter how many items you have, they will all be shown up. And what I love about this program, it's done through Auction Nudge, and I'm going to give you the URL in a little bit, and I'm going to show you how you could do the same thing too if you're an eBay seller that has a website. And if you don't have a website, you might want to look into this here, and I'll show you what the services I use and the software I use to create my YouTube, I should say my eBay website here. I call it an eBay website. And I'm going to show you that in a little bit here. But let's go right now to the hosting service. And folks, by the way, I do not have any affiliate links with these sites I give you. Okay, I just want to let you know right up front. If I did, I would let you know. I tell you right from the beginning here. First off, this is the site. This is the hosting service I use. It's called 3ix. And I will give you the URL. It's https://hostfast.com, and then it's /3ix/. It'll bring you to this here, or you can just do it simplified and just go to Google and type in 3ix, and it'll bring you here as well. Now, for those who are wondering what service I use, and they got a couple different plans here. As you can see, there's 4 of them. I have the Excite plan. For those who know me, I consider myself a frugal entrepreneur, so I like to work with what I could afford right now. It's not that bad, but I like to be very conservative when it comes to spending money. So I got this one right here, and for $1.25 a month, you get 40 gigabytes of space, right? Web space. You get 100 gigabytes of bandwidth, and you get pop mail. I think 50 accounts, I think it is, or something like that. I'm not sure what that is. It always threw me off. I don't know why a person would need that many, but I think that's what it stands for. I'm not sure on that part. And then if you need more, if you're a person that needs a lot more, you can go to the extra plan. Then they got the expert, and then they got the extreme, which is $8.25 a month. But this comes to here, the one I have, comes to around $15 a year, which is not bad. Now, the software I use, and I have it right here, it's called Web Plus X5. Now, I bought mine back in the day. I bought this back, I don't know, years back. I don't know how long ago. I remember paying, I think it was total $10, and I think I got it from Walmart, and it gave me free shipping with this here. Now things might have changed, okay? So I don't know. As you can see, it went up, and right now, as of now, it's out of stock. If you search around, you could probably get it. If you're a newbie or somebody that's not too familiar with how to create a website, I highly recommend this here. It's no HTML required, but it runs in the background, and I'm going to show you that there, in a little bit here. It's really a good software package. It's cut and paste and easy to use. It really is. You can move things around. You can add things in there. And it's not like you got to code all this stuff in HTML. So this is what I'm using right now. You're just seeing that website. That's what I did over there. I created with this here, Web Plus X5. All right. So let's put that over here. All right. So again, you can check it out on Walmart. Right now, apparently it says it's out of stock. You could probably check eBay, of course, and if eBay don't have it, I'm sure there's other sources that you can probably look into. They might have different versions too, folks. This one here, if I'm not mistaken, I think this came out back in 1991. I think they stopped doing it, stopped creating it or upgrading or whatever back in 2011 or something along that line. But it still works. I'm still doing updates. I'm listening. I'm modifying it. Always updating it now and then. So it still works. And I'm using a Windows 10 operating system. Actually, my system just got upgraded to the Windows 11. Yes. Well, my computer met all the requirements, the hardware, how many megabytes I had to have, and so on and so forth. So one day I was coming here. I had my computer on, and I said, I've seen this thing. It says you're gonna like what you see soon, or something like that. And then I clicked it on. I went to click on the information there, and I said, oh, I got Windows 11 now, so it's not bad. It's pretty good. I got to get a little used to navigating it around, but it works pretty good. All right. So anyway, we're gonna bump out of that screen here, and this is where I got mine at Walmart. like I said again, I don't know. According to this, it's out of stock, so I don't know when you're going to get it. We already went over the hosting service here, okay? So that's what I use, just in case you guys are wondering. I use the Excite plan, okay? Check it out. Do your research, on both. Read your reviews on this here. I like it. I have no complaints whatsoever on it. So I didn't write a review about it, but I do love it. It is easy, and it still works in today's day and age. It's not like outdated where it doesn't work. It works pretty good for me. I love it. And again, with the Excite program, if you're just starting out and you don't need a lot of gigabytes or whatever, you might want to try the Excite plan yourself. Okay, and that's who I'm hosting with right now. I've been with them for a number of years. Love the service. I have no complaints with them whatsoever. But again, you could do your own research and check and see if you like it. If you don't, you could always cancel out and stuff like that. So that's totally up to you. But I'm just sharing that's who I use for my hosting. Okay. Now, here is this is my eBay listings, as you can see here, right? I don't know if I showed you in the beginning, but this is what I have. I want to showcase this on my personal website. Okay, I always feel the more exposure, the better. You know what I'm saying? If people can't see your listings, they could always check out your your website. So why not host your eBay listings on your own personal website? And that's exactly what I did. So I want all all these listings here to be on my website. So we're gonna bump out of here, and this is what it looks like after you put it on here. Again, this is my website right here. I created with this software I just showed you. I got the home feature here, and then I got the featured products, of course, and about us, and I got the service, and I also got contact, social media, and the eBay feedbacks. Now, what I like about this program here, it updates automatically. So when something sells, it comes right off, and it'll come off your website as well. Okay. Now, the thing is, you're probably saying, well, all right, that sounds great. Sounds interesting. Maybe you have a website. You're a seller that you have a website, and you want to add this to it. Why not? What you're going to do is you're going to go to this one right over here. It's called Auction Nudge, and let me give you the URL. It's www.auctionnudge.com. When you go there, it's going to bring you to this window, your eBay on your site, advertising tools for eBay sellers. Really good. It's really cut and dry, so I'm going to try to keep it as brief as possible. I'm not going to get too much into it because I don't want to take a lot of your time. You could always check it out for yourself at your own leisure. All right, so when you come here, you want to add your listings, your eBay listings, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to click on eBay listings once you go to the site, and you're going to type in your username. So whatever your username is on eBay, mine is shop-RJ Pasini oh boy, sorry guys, for great deals. Okay, once you do that, you click show me. You're going to get this information right up to boot. It comes up. Now, you could also update it. You could change it around. Okay, you could have the theme change, like a column view. You could do it stuff like that. You update it. This is what will show up like that. You could do it like that. It's really nice the way they have it. I really do like it. But for argument's sake, I'm going to keep it the way I had it, responsive. Okay, I want it like this here. Oh, so I got to update. And it's going to keep it that way. I like it that way. Now, here's the thing, folks. When it comes to embedding your listings on your personal website, you don't want to go too much because you got the window is only open so much, okay? I recommend doing it this way. I know it's showing the 3 here, but the 2, but I have another row. Like if you look at my featured products, you could see I got 3, 6, 9 here, okay? And the reason why I'm showing you that is because you see over here, matter of fact, it'll also put their information right here at the bottom of your website where it says RJ Pasini Copyright 2021. It'll see Auction Nudge with an active hyperlink. Okay, and if you don't know what an active hyperlink, folks, is when you see, here's my mouse cursor, when you see the arrow, when you move it over, hover it over, and it turns to a hand, that's an active hyperlink. These are all active hyperlinks. What's going to happen is when people go to your website, they're going to click it on, and it's going to hyperlink them right over to your eBay listings. Okay, it's another way of getting more exposure out there, And if you're good at creating websites and you advertise it really good and stuff like that, you may drive more traffic to your website. And what's not, no, to your listings, I'm sorry. But what's nice about having your own website, you could do things on the fly. If you want to run a sale, a one-day sale or whatever, you can go on air, list it, and you could just update it like that on the fly, a spur of the moment type of thing. It's great having your own website. It's yours. You put on the information you want to put on there. You could share it with your people who save you in their let's say you got a store and people save you and stuff like that, or you have a mailing list, whatever. You could do it like this here. You could have them, point them directly to your website here, and you could do a whole bunch of things. It just goes on and on, So anyway, now the thing is, you're probably going, okay, that sounds all fine, Jim, dandy there. Okay, how do we get it in there? Now remember, I am using the Serif Web Plus X5. Now, I don't know what software you guys are going to use to create your website, but basically it's all done with the HTML, and what you're going to do is like this here. You're going to go over here, and you could change it around, like a category list. You could also do a drop down, and you could change the language. Here you could change the language: English, French, German, Italian, Spanish. I think that's all I have right now. The theme, you could change the theme, like I said already. Okay, the way you have it. And the items per page. Look where my mouse cursor is. Items per page. Okay, I put 6. Okay, show multiple pages. Show in a search box. Okay, once you get everything you filled out the way you like it, you click the update. All right. So now what you want to do is you want to copy right over here again the your code snippet. Okay, what you would do is, and I'm going to show you really quick. I'm going to open up my Web Plus software. And here we are at the home page. Okay, now with my software, it's a little different. If you get this software, you'll be able to do the same thing. Okay, it's really cut and dry, again, using this software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the feature products. I'm going to click that window on. It's going to bring me now right here. You notice, you see the HTML code. It's a blank window. It's a blank canvas right here, right? Now, the reason why it's like that there, I had to keep it blank because, again, if you start putting stuff on there, it's going to all intermingle and it's going to look terrible. So what you want to do is, if you do get this software, you want a blank page like this, put your header in there just like you normally would, keep it blank. And what you want to do is, you want to go over here where it says Insert HTML code. Okay, so you got to click this on here. I'm going to leave the one on top there right now. I just want to show you how you would do it. Okay, and what you would do is you would drop this box in here, when you move it with your mouse, and you would drop it in like that. Okay, you're going to get another window that's going to say Insert HTML code. Paste the head, paste the body. I always like to paste it because I want it to be to the top of the screen. It's not going to cover your banner. It's going to go below it, of course. And what you are going to do is you're going to go back to that window, and you see where it says add this to your site. You're going to left click it with the mouse, right click copy, and then you're going to go over here, copy it, and then you're going to go back to your software, whatever one you're using. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to go over here. It says paste to head. Okay, and when you paste it in there, boom, that's how it's going to look. Okay, and then when you click OK, you're going to have it there. Now, I don't want to because everything will be overlapping. Instead of seeing 9, you'll see 6. You'll see a whole bunch of them up there. Okay, so I'm going to take that out. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, how does it going to look? Right now you can't justify how it's going to look. What you want to do is, again, in this program, that's when you're going to go to publish the site. When you publish it, after you do the publishing on it there, it's going to ask you all information, your password and all that stuff there. Then after it's done, right, then you're going to go to your site, and voila, that's what it's going to look like. And it's not only for the 9. Okay, remember, right over here where the mouse cursor is, if you have 50 listings or 100 listings or 1,000, I don't know, people are going to want to scroll through that many pages, but you can see here when you click the next, it's going to show all your listings. And what's nice about this here, it updates it. So once an item's sold, boom, it comes right off. Okay, I only have 100 and something listings on here, but I'm a small volume seller. But again, it'll update automatically. Also, if you want, let's go back to this again. You want to add a feedback page, okay, like I did to my website. So let's go over here. Okay, you're going to go back here just to recap. Now here is the eBay feedback. Okay, boom, that's the feedback page. Excuse me, folks. Okay, sorry, talking too much. You're getting dry through here. Okay, so you're going to see again with the HTML code. Okay, And with the software, each time you do it, make sure you save under that page. Okay, if you're using this software, make sure you save it under that page. Don't save it under home. Save it under that page. I always do. It always seems to work. So the same thing, what you would do is, let me go back over here again. We're going to go back to Auction Nudge, okay? And we're going to go right to where it says Tools, because now we want to get the feedback. So you're going to go over here where it says Feedback. Same thing. You got to type your name in again. Here we go again. Shop dash RJ Pasini dash 4 dash great dash deals. A lot of dashes, right? I know. Okay. So now when you do that, this automatically updates as well. So you'll have everything here. You don't have to worry about it. Once you embed it in your website, it's done. Same thing. Recap it again. Left click, right? Right click, copy. Okay. You can always go back and watch the video again. If you got any comments about it, drop it below. I'll be more than happy to help you. I don't know. I'm getting dry throat again. Yeah. I think that's that spicy food I ate before for lunch. Okay. Anyway, so then what you're going to do again, you're going to go back over here to Web Plus. Do the same thing. Where it says insert HTML code, right? You're going to click this on here. It's going to get a little gray box. Okay. That little gray box, you're going to go like this. You're going to get that there. It says paste ahead. I already did it. I copied it. So now we're going to just say boom. There it is. Okay. All right. And then you're going to click OK, of course, and then you're good to go. Yeah, we don't want to save the changes. Okay, because we already have it, or else, like I said again, we'll have double. All right. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to share with you guys. That's basically it. And then you're probably wondering, the other part is when you're all finished with it, make sure you save everything. What I was saying before, save for that page. When you go over here, just wanted to tell you, I'm sorry, guys. Forgive me, I forgot about that. So when it says save, you're going to save it over here. Don't save it as home. Save it. It's been working for me. Save it under eBay feedback, like that. Okay. For each one. See, I got so many pages here. Each one, and then save it like that, or feedbacks. Let's put feedbacks there. Okay. And then when you save it, then you want to replace it, so you're going to do that there. Okay. But save it. If you use again this software, home, feature products, about us, and so on and so forth. Okay. Make sure you save each one. Then go back to the publish site. Once you hit the publish, it's going to ask for your password, user ID, and so on. Full incremental, full upload. It's going to give you out there. You could check off what you want on there. I always do full incremental up there. And I also put up there, check for any missing files and stuff like that. A good software package. It is cut and dry. It really is easy to use. It really is, folks. I mean, I love it. If you're looking for an affordable, cheap website program to use, you might want to try this out. If you don't like, well, yeah, unless you download it, but if you buy it, you won't. I mean, like I said, I bought this, years back, but I really do like it a lot, though. It really is. I mean, it's really cut and dry. I mean, you can move things around, like I move, and it's cut and paste. If you had to add a picture in there, you go into, it says insert. You get a pull down menu, and you could add hyperlinks in there. You could do different things. I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. I like simplicity. I love simplicity. But it really is easy to use. All right. That's basically it, folks. That's all I have for you right now. If you do have any questions, I'm going to bring it back to the homepage here where you can see it for yourself. Good site. Check it out. What do you got to lose? And if you have a website, folks, if you do have your own website, I highly recommend add your eBay listings to it. It can't hurt. And then what you could do, folks, is if you have a YouTube channel, which is good, you might want to put a little hyperlink in there to your website. Okay, you could say, please check out my website, or whatever, in your comments section there, or just put the active hyperlink in there, whatever. And you could run sales on there, or if you want to explain something in more greater detail, or let's say there's certain things you can't express on eBay, you could express it on your website. Okay, I mean, I'm not talking crazy stuff. I'm talking about, because let's say eBay only gives you so much information, whatever. If you want to expand on a specific topic, or your product information, you could do it on your own website. Okay, and that Excite plan that I have, folks, is more than enough for what I need. As you can see, my website's only got 8 pages, whatever. I could add to it. If I want to add more to it, I could add more to it. It doesn't matter. But right now, I mean, as time goes on, that's when I'll start building more up on my website. But I highly recommend you check it out, folks. I mean, it can't hurt. And again, check out this site, read a little more into it, and play around with it, get the feel of it, see what it's all about. Can't hurt, right? And for those who are new, I'm going to close out this video, but for those who are new, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate it. As of now, I just need 10 more subscribers to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, that threshold. I hope you guys like these videos. I hope you will hit that subscribe button to help me get to that goal. That's my milestone. That's 1,000 subscribers. That would be awesome, guys. And I just want to let you know before I close out that if you're new to my YouTube channel, I love to share information with you guys. I don't have a book to sell you. I don't have a dream to sell you. The only thing I could share with you is free information. But who knows? Maybe one day I could have a Patreon account where people could support the channel if they choose to do so, or maybe I could sell merch, T-shirts, whatever. I really would love to build this channel up, and the only way I could do is with your help and by putting out good, clean content. And the most important thing I always say with my YouTube channel is that you guys get a takeaway from it. That is the most important thing in anything I do with this channel, is that you guys get a takeaway from it. Okay. Now I just want to also let you know I do the reseller news on this channel. I do the Let's Talk eBay. I'm also a vlogger. Okay, so I might talk about maybe the camera stuff, the camera equipment I use, or I might show you how I shoot my videos, or I might talk about things of that nature. Okay, but believe me, it's all business related, and it's to help you out. Okay. I like to share tips and tricks on this website. On the website. Well, that too I could, right? But on my YouTube channel. So the most important thing is, guys, that you get a takeaway from it. And I hope you'll keep coming back for more. I really do. I hope. And you could share, if you do like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post out new videos, hit that bell notification icon. Okay, but I just want to put that out there. And again, if you are hitting my YouTube channel for the first time, I hope you guys give me a chance. Thank you so much. And as I always say in my videos in closing, I know a lot of people who follow me know what I'm going to say. If you are thinking about selling on eBay, or you are a seller on eBay, I am wishing you guys all the best in sales. Until next time, bye-bye for now.